Alright, advanced foods, everybody. We're out here in Minnesota. Blizzard. Oof. It's April 14th, and it is coming down. That is your average size car right there. That's snow just clear over the top. Look at all this right here. Deep.
Excuse us?
Happy January.
Ha! Jeez. Up to the tire. Look at this. Oh, all of this snow. Jesus. Look at that. Look at that. I'm just kicking it up. Look at that. Look at that. That's a car. That is a car. Ground. That's ground. That's car. Oof. Jeez. Up to my knee. Up to my knee. To my knee. I'm going back in this way. Look at that. Look at that. That's eye level. That, my friend, is eye level. That's a door. And there's a pile of snow that is eye level to me right now, and I'm about 5'7". That is too... It's April 14th. Look at that. Jeez.